This week's Path to Higher Consciousness message from Spirit by J.M. Light. The law of multiplication says, what is, multiplies. It is universal law. So, focus on all the good things in your life. Acknowledge and appreciate the gifts that life gives you. Appreciate everything. Count your blessings. Focus on gratitude. Be grateful and the gifts will multiply. Gratitude is the doorway to abundance because what is, multiplies. It is universal law. The law of multiplication. Please like, subscribe and share.